Now let's get to the good stuff.
First making saku block. Japanese we say saku. Saku is block for sashimi or sushi.
First, you need to clean the top of the fish, so run the top of your knife over the fish to gently scrape off any remaining dirt, scales and moisture.
Then I have to take bones, but this one is already taken. But make sure here is this line. First I will take tail part. This part is for stuffed food or hot pot or something.
The fish's tail is typically more chewy, so it's not ideal for sashimi, but it's good when cooked.
So I will keep salmon skin for salmon skin roll or something. Cut it in the middle, back part and belly part. And belly part. Very sharp. If it's not sharp, you cannot cut skin part. Then for sashimi, you can't eat this part. If it's for grill, you can stay this part.
When buying salmon for sashimi, choose fresh fish from a trusted fishmonger. Here, we're using farmed salmon, as fresh wild salmon is rare in the Netherlands and typically sold frozen.
And now I'm going to take skin, knife, can stay like this angle, not like this angle.
Pull the skin.
Yeah, pull the skin. I mean like knife can just stay like this, just like this. You see? Also you can move it like this. Then just bring like this, like this, like this. You see? So this is a little bit too big. Cut the middle. Yes, this way you can keep silver skin. We call that gingawa, means silver skin. Yes, next this part. A little bit slippery, so you can use paper to hold. So I divide this for 3. So now I can show you different technique to take skin off. So now I did from this way. It's called sotobiki, but also we do from this way. It's called uchibiki. And back part I recommend to do with uchibiki because here it's quite a lot of brown part. You can keep it, but I try to take this part out. That-chan, can you come to this side?
ちょっと待って。
Yes, I don't want to use this part.
Like grape.
Grape, yeah. Sometimes this part is stinky. But if it's very fresh, super fresh, you can use it.
So the point of the knife needs to be on the cutting board.
But the other side is
elevated from
yeah.
the cutting board.
Yeah.
So the point of the knife needs to stay on the cutting board, but the side is slightly elevated.
Let's see. Yeah, this part is not so good for sashimi. Then we'll use this for salmon skin rolls. Also important, when you buy salmon, you can ask to fish marker with scale or without. It's quite important. If it with scale, it doesn't work. Super messy. The cutting board always have to be clean, of course. I will take this part, the fat and the fin. This part is a little bit too much, and also take out. And I will show you several different preparations. One is light salt. Next one is cure with cover with salt, blind. Also marinate with soy sauce and yuzu. Let's see.